That's where I'm going to. Pskov. I'll show you the banks. We got the lower banks and we got the upper banks. So this is a 4 people sitting area. I'll take you to the corridors now, the toilet. As you can see, this side you have 2 people. And this right here is actually the place for making tea or coffee. You get some hot water right here. And inside there is wood. This is the toilets. So as you can see, this is where you wash your hands, and this is where you do your things, the toilet.
Okay, let's go.
We have arrived in Pskov. The time is 1:50 p.m. That was about 16 hours, 37 minutes travel. We're a little bit exhausted, but the trip was quite comfortable and on time. Never late with Russian trains, made in Mother Russia. Always on time. Arrived in Pskov. It's 1 p.m. Actually close to 2. Arrived, and to my surprise I was met by 2 official FSB, or you can call them agents. In America and they're called FBI. So they had all my information. Yeah, these 2 FBI agents or FSB agents, just as I got off the train, they approached me, requested my documents, and they had even my name printed on some lists. I was quite shocked. So right now we're in Pskov, 16-hour trip. So this is the train station of Vokzal. It's called let me see what's the name. Groceries Vokzal. That's the one right there. That is my train that I came with. Yeah, so guys, I was quite shocked, you know. The Russian agents surprised me, meaning that they have all my information. Wow, it's quite shocking. But I showed them all my information, but I have an official permit to stay here and so forth, and I work there, so there were no questions asked. Okay guys, on to the next. I'll show you the rest of Pskov. I'm taking you on a small road trip right now. I'm actually looking for the nearest by grocery shop called Pskov in this beautiful town of or small town of Pskov. I will later on I will give you a rundown or some few facts about this town, which is older than Moscow. As you can see, yes, so this is how the Russians actually live, guys, you know. Of course, we are on the outskirts. So in this outskirts of Pskov, these are the type of housing one may find, you know. These are called pятиэтажные, 5-floor apartment blocks, which were mainly constructed in the 1990s. This type. Beautiful, huh? Yes, so I have arrived to the small shop, grocery shop called Pskov. Pskov is more like number 5. Small little letter 5. I just came from the Pskov, from the small supermarket. I bought some milk, some wine, zucchini, some pashirok cleaning agent, some dashirok noodles, some water, some lace, some bread, milk, and this all cost me not more than 2,000 rubles, which is approximately 22 US dollars.